Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. In this week's video, I'm going to show you how to see the best-selling items on eBay now in any category and in 5 steps. But before I get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button to the no fluff, ad-free channel that puts out weekly videos teaching step-by-step how anyone can build a 7-digit automated online dropship business from their home from scratch and using less than $100. So let's launch straight into it. For this demonstration, I'm using Scarcity Manager. If you're not already using Scarcity Manager, you can do everything I'm going to show you now using the Scarcity Manager free trial. So from the Scarcity Manager homepage, click on eBay dashboard, then scroll down to eBay bestsellers. Now click on any category. For this demonstration, I'll choose the office equipment category. Now enter the minimum price you'd like to see. Note that the default is $35. But you can change it to anything. For this demonstration, I change it to $1. Next, choose which country, and then click the search button. Next, sort the data. For this demonstration, I've sorted by number of items sold. To do that sort, you simply just click the little black arrow next to where it says number of items sold, and that's it. Now you can see all the items that are sold in that category, sorted by which one has sold the most. In this example, you can see the laminating pouch is the #1 selling item in this category with 6,113 sold. If you want to see this item on eBay, simply click the 12-digit number to the left of the item and you'll see that item live in eBay. I hope this helps you with finding the best-selling items now. If you also need more suppliers for your business, here's a free list of 934 dropship suppliers. Please leave me a comment below. While you're there, make sure you hit the subscribe button to the no fluff, ad-free channel that puts out weekly videos teaching step-by-step how anyone can build an automated 7-digit online business from their home from scratch using eBay and Amazon and using less than $100. Until next week, stay safe, live more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.